morning. I think I can talk now that I've brushed my teeth and feel somewhat awake. Take a sip of water first. So, you guys have already seen part of me getting up in the morning, and what I like to do is basically turn the lights on so I can see, and I go into my bathroom, I brush my teeth, and I like to splash just freezing cold water on my face. Like, I don't do my morning skincare. See, the vocal cords are still getting used to being awake. But excuse me, I splash some cold water in my face that makes me, oh, that's like, it's morning, I'm awake now, wakes up my skin and all of that. So oh, I was saying I do that. I like to do that before my morning skincare routine. I usually like to do my morning skincare after I've been awake for just a little bit. Either I'm gonna work out or I'm gonna clean up my kitchen, which this morning I kind of need to do both of those things. So yeah, but just brushing my teeth, splashing some cold water on my face, pouring a glass of water, and starting to drink my first glass of water of the day is how I like to get my morning started. So normally, at least now, this month, starting this month, I would not have to go to work today, but I am going to my full-time job to do some testing on the computer. So what they're doing is they are updating our systems and things of that nature. So they need a user, an end user, to come in and test the applications and making sure that they're working properly for Monday, which would be tomorrow. So it's something that I volunteered to do, and yeah, so I'm up early. Typically I like to be up at 5 a.m. every day just because that's my normal weekday, Monday through Friday. So on the weekend, yeah, I do like to sleep in a little bit, but I don't like to fall too much off track of my sleeping schedule, because then it's hard to get back into come Monday. Other than going to work today, which is just for a few hours, but I also need to clean up and move all of my furniture into my bedroom. So I don't know if you'll see all of that in this video today, but that has to be done because starting tomorrow, the carpet that's in my living room and in my bedroom is going to be ripped up, and they're putting like some hardwood floors in here, so that's going to be super nice. I bet it's going to make my apartment feel 10 times bigger having those floors. So yeah, I'm going to have to move all of my furniture into my bedroom because they're going to start in the living room first, then move everything back out here, and then they'll do my bedroom. So that's what's going on. Let's just roll up my mat. Let's get started. It's 5:45 already, so I'll do yoga for about a half hour, get showered and dressed, and clean up my kitchen at least. And yeah, let's just get on with it, okay? don't mind the unmade bed in the background. I am rushing out the door, just threw my hair up in a top bun. Got on some joggers, my Adidas t-shirt, my little warm zip-up jacket. I got this at Target, I think last year. I think it's made by Who What Wear. Yeah, it's made by Who What Wear. I love this jacket. Love it. I call it my airport coat. But anywho, I am rushing out the door. I was cleaning up and lost track of time. So I had like 15 minutes tops to get ready. So let's go. I not fully cleaned with everything. That's like a bag for Goodwill. But got my work bag here, some snacks in my lunch bag, and a little protein shake. Shake it up. Haven't had breakfast yet, so I will see you all at work or in the car or something. Peace.
That he's had over the years. Oh, yeah. So hip hop does have flaws like anything else. So we're not gonna say there's not something. Don't even do it themselves. Right. And that's the crazy. That's the only. I'm just gonna say, go down here and do such and such and such. I've never even been to that.
Alright guys, so an update. I am still working at the moment. I thought this was going to be like a 3 to 4 hour thing, and we keep running into issues with the updates. So while I don't feel like I'm playing a major role as a tester with this, they are asking us to stay. Okay, so my supervisor just like came out into the parking lot, and that kind of was like embarrassing. I'm like holding up a camera, but anyway, I don't feel like I'm playing as much of a major role. The application that I'm testing, I haven't had any errors, and neither has my coworker. So, but they're still asking us to stay because there's other people at different offices that are having issues. So they want us to continue testing the program. And by testing, I mean like we're just doing our normal work, but making sure that we're not running into any errors with the systems as we're working. So thanks to government rules and regulations, after 6 hours, we are mandated to take a half-hour lunch. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to take my half-hour lunch break, come back, and then my supervisor told me that, you know, it's your call if you want to continue to stay, but I'm definitely not going to do more than 8 hours. That's my max. That's a full day. So, yeah, they got 2 hours after lunch to get it together. Otherwise, I'm out. We got things to do later back at the apartment, so I want to make sure I have time this evening to do all of that, plus go to the grocery store and all of that. So it's getting kind of late. It's like 1:30 or so. So, yeah, we got to get on with it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. And yeah, gonna go get some lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna get, if I'm just gonna go to Starbucks. We'll see, I'll let you know. Yeah.
You need soy sauce, chili sometimes?
Please. Do you have sweet and sour too?
Yeah, I could.
Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Okay guys, I literally just walked in the door. I didn't know that the floor was actually gonna be on. I can hear my echo. Oh my God. Didn't turn the lights on. Guys, it's so pretty. So they told me that they were gonna do the dark wood, which I love. Here's just a sneak peek. They still need to do like the baseboards So there was a front closet that I forgot to clean out that had what you see here, my foam roller, and they left the toilet seat up. Really, guys? Really? At least it's clean though. Hey guys, so I'm in Target right now looking for cleaning products and whatever I think I'm gonna need to maintain my new floors. So I'm looking at this Bona hardwood floor cleaner just in case, just if I get something on it, especially in the kitchen, if I need to wipe up something, it's safe on the floor. It won't dull them or leave them sticky or anything like that. And then I also got these dry cloths. So I already have the sweeper mop thingy, but then this is the little cloth piece. So I got the dry cloth, and I probably will only use the wet ones in my bathroom, but dry on the hardwood floor, and then use this in my living room area.